Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back to help you sign into my project Lead the Way. So, my friends, let's get cracking. It's pretty simple, friends. All you need to do is at the very top of your browser, type my.pltw.org. Do not Google search it. Instead, type it. I will also put a link in the description of this video if you want to click it there. Once you've got that done, find the piece of paper that your teacher gave you that has your sign in. Make sure you put your username on the first line. Your username will be something unique, and it will have some crazy numbers after it. Make sure you write that down or leave yourself a note. Also, choosing Remember Me is a good idea before you hit Next, and then use the password that your teacher gave you. Making sure that you hit Sign In, and if Google asks you, save that too. If you get an error like this, double check what you typed. I'm going to re-enter my password off the piece of paper, and bingo, it asks, do I want to save it? Yes, I do. And now you are finally in your Project Lead the Way course. Friends, if your teacher gave you a class code, you can click here and add that classroom code at this time. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.